Most people think that in order to build wealth, it's all about the big money moves like investing, real estate, crypto. However, when you're starting out on your personal finance journey, it's going to be difficult to build wealth, especially if you're starting off in debt. I know because I've been there too. But the good news is you don't have to wake up at 4 a.m. or do ice baths or buy an investment property today. It starts with something much easier. True wealth isn't built on flashy and big investments alone. It's built on daily micro habits, habits that most people completely overlook. As a former CPA, I've seen inside the financial lives of the wealthy and the not so wealthy. I've seen what worked for them and what's just for show. In this video, I'm breaking down the 11 micro habits that have completely transformed my life. Everything from my finances to my relationships. These are simple changes that you can implement today to start shifting your financial future, no matter where you're starting. So let's ditch the overwhelm and get back to the basics. Hi, I'm Stephanie No, life and mindset coach, and I'm passionate about helping women reach their goals and build a life they truly love, and that includes financial freedom. Let's get into it. Number 1, asking how. Stop asking, why me? Why now? Why is this happening? Instead, ask, how? How can I make more money? How can I afford this? How can I make this happen? This simple shift flips you from victim to creator instantly. It opens you up to possibilities and helps you brainstorm different ways of getting to the result. Number 2, write down your financial goals. Write it down. Goals on paper become real. They haunt you in a good way, forcing you to take action and make progress towards them. Number 3, learn to say no. Your time is your most valuable asset. And as a mom of 3, I am finally really understanding this. I don't have any time to waste. So learn to say no. Saying yes to everything just leads to burnout and resentment. Hit that like button if you're like me and you have trouble saying no to everyone. Number 4, create more than you consume. Netflix's autoplay is genius. That's them profiting off of our consumption. And don't get me wrong, I love my K-dramas, which is why I have to limit myself. Did anyone watch When Life Gives You Tangerines? Hit me up in the comments. Anyways, let's flip the script on Netflix and instead take that time to create. Start writing, start a podcast, build something, start doing something that you love and that will develop your skills and knowledge. Number 5, create distance in bad relationships. We've all heard the saying, you're the average of your 5 closest people. Cut out the negativity. Life is way too short to surround yourself with toxic people and relationships that don't serve you. Number 6, journal. When you're struggling with something, if you're feeling anxious, if you're feeling overwhelmed, journal. Write it down on paper. Seriously, get it out on the paper and just get it out of your head. Trust me, write it down and it works. Number 7, self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. That negative self-talk, it probably doesn't work as effectively as you think it does. Being kind to yourself has not only a mental, but also a physical effect. It lowers your stress and you have less anxiety. So be kind to yourself and show some love to yourself. Number 8, take action before ready. This is for all my perfectionists out there. Listen up. Just jump before you're ready. You're never actually going to be ready anyways. There's never going to be the perfect time. Number 9, gratitude practice. Your brain will focus on what you put in front of it or what you direct it to. So let's be conscious and intentional with taking stock of all the things that we're grateful for. Today, I'm grateful for the sunny weather, drinking a hot coffee with no one interrupting me, and being able to play with my kids. What are 3 things that you're grateful for? Share with me in the comments. Number 10, invest in yourself. The best investment is you. Education, your mental health, whatever it is, you won't regret it. It's always worth the money and time. And finally, number 11, the 1% rule. This is the idea that basically small, consistent changes will result in something meaningful. Small changes equal big results. If you started investing $25 a week for the next 30 years, that could turn into over 100,000. Apply this rule to every aspect of your life and watch your life transform. Just strive to do 1% better each day. So those are the 11 micro habits that can change your life, financial and everything else. Start implementing them today and watch your wealth grow. If you're wondering why saving $10,000 is a much more important milestone than hitting $100,000, watch this next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on building a life you truly love.